to go into your phone settings. Once you are in your phone settings, go into the system. It is here where you can see the developer option, but for this Android device, the developer option is not yet enabled. So to enable it, you have to go into your about phone, then go to build number. So to enable the developer option, tap on this build number for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the device will ask you to confirm if you are the owner of that device. All you have to do is to throw your pattern, fingerprint, and then password. So in case I throw my pattern, don't worry, I'll change it later. Okay, I'm now in the developer option. So what I have to do is to go back, then I'll be able to access it from the settings. You can see the developer option, it's here. This is what we were looking at. So I'll go into the developer option. Here what I have to do is to search for window animator. I have to search for window animator in this. There's window animator here. So window animation scale, you can see my device is at 1 times. So what I have to do is I can either put it on 1.5 or turn it off. So if your Android phone is such slow, you can just turn this option off, but for this Android phone I'll put it on 1.5. The transition animation scale, I also put it on 1.5, or you can turn it off. Animator duration scale, I also put it on 1.5, or you can as well turn it off. Then I'll scroll down and I'll turn this one on, Force 4X MSAA. By doing this, guys, you are going to make your Android phone to run faster than before. You can see my phone, it's now faster than it was. It's now